Hi everyone. Today we go with Shaira to buy street foods. She worked all day and she don't want cook. She said, let's go to buy street foods in the market. I will show to a market. It's in Mabalacat named Mirabel. Shaira. Say hi, Shaira. She don't want to talk. I don't know why. So we're going to now to the market. This is hospital, popular hospital also here, San Rafael Hospital. Vegetable also sale here. Nina Bell, this name of place Nina Bell. Mabalacat City. Shaira, can you ask how much durian? How much? No, you ask how much. Shaira don't want to ask. Hi. Sweet potato also. Fish. It's for children. About 10 peso. Dry fish. Hi. This is fry. So many. Oh, Shaira want to buy. What you want to buy, Shaira? Hi? Drinks? Gulaman? Hi? Mango. How much mango? 25 peso. Okay. Have coffee, mango, avocado, and mango. Okay. I remember in Thailand we bought the same. Shaira. Fruits, maybe. That's for sale? Okay, we can check first.
Para dinalan mo po.
Yes, ma'am. Po, ma'am. Marabulya po. 100 lang din. Ito po ang sute. Wala po. Pili na kayo. Mura na.
Cucumber and carrot also. Potato also need to buy. Cucumber 80 peso 1 kilo. Carrot 140. Potato 120.
55.
How much?
55.
50. One is 50, 55. How much?
Ano kaya kahit sabi?
55 1 kilo. Okay, you choose, Shara, not me. So this is for 300 peso.
Dagalanaw niya mga pandikit sa dagalanaw. Babara na babo niya ba niya mga pandikit sa daga. Dagalanaw pandikit lahat sa daga. Dagalanaw na
Oh, cat? Black cat. Ага.
Siamese. Personal Siamese.
Ага.
Siamese.
Very hard for cat. Can you ask how much cats here? How much?
13K.
13,000.
And ano yung plastic ko? 13.
Ah?
30. 20, 30.
ano po?
18.
This is 18.
At dito ang Persian male natin, 9.5.
And this one?
10K naman po, Himalayan male. Himalayan male.
How much? I don't understand, Shaira.
18.
Translate. This is 18.
Hindi, ano,
Himalayan or Himalayan.
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 But we need black. Do you have black cat? Black. All black. Don't have.
We don't have.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Baka mas meron na.
Shaira, adobo, adobo. You choose what you want to eat.
Ilay mo yung tela dyan, ilay mo yung tela.
Ganyan ko.
Chicken adobo.
Pork barbecue. One pork barbecue. And you like this one, right?
Maybe soon start rain, so we're going to home. Yeah. Need more maybe, Shaira? Okay. Before rain, Shaira need to go home. I don't want, no. Mabuhay, Ninabel, Barangay. Rice, okay, you can buy rice, yes. Shaira don't want cook rice. She will buy. Rice 10 peso. Shaira.
I don't know.
What is adobo? This one.
It's not adobo.
What is?
It's menudo and apretada. I don't know what's the apretada in here.
Even you don't know. Shaira need to go home before rain. Shaira pay for parking. Thank you for watching. Sorry for this video. It's like we go to buy fruits. No, not fruits. Vegetable and foods.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
We just arrived home and heavy rain starting now.